Hey Ontario, today our government released our fall economic statement, our mid-year update on the critical investments we're making to protect Ontario. As part of this initiative, our government is investing $600,000 in the Gairdner Foundation to continue driving research excellence in Ontario. But what is the Gairdner Foundation? For more than 65 years, the Gairdner Foundation has highlighted researchers whose work is making a real difference in global health and well-being. By celebrating scientific excellence, the Foundation inspires the next generation of scientists who will secure Ontario's position as a world leader in innovation. And now with our investment, researchers around the world will know that Ontario is an epicenter for life sciences discovery. Home to Canada's largest life sciences cluster, Ontario has the facilities, the funding, and the bright minds to take the life sciences sector to new heights. And with today's investment, the Gairdner Foundation will help us get there through their long-standing recognition and outreach on the global stage. Since 2018, our government has invested more than $2 billion in Ontario-made research. And we do this because we know that each dollar invested in homegrown research is a dollar that protects Ontario. Not only does Ontario-made research save and improve lives, but is also creating great paying jobs, attracts investment, and advances our critical industries. And today, we further each of those priorities with our investment in the Gairdner Foundation. Their mission is our mission, and I can't wait to see all that we will accomplish for Ontario together.